It's a boa. And this is its creator, a 5-year-old juvenile male satin boa bird. He is just a beginner. But a stone's throw away is another boa, and one from which the youngster could learn a lot. It's bigger and more elaborate. And this is its builder, an experienced male resplendent in his blue adult plumage. So that is how it should be done. Junior returns to his own bower and tries to improve things. That should probably go just here. Or maybe here. And it's not just about building. The master's bower has something that Junior's lacks completely. Blue decorations really please a female. And the master has gone to town. Junior takes a closer look. What will the master make of his visitor? Rather than drive him away, the master has other intentions. Seduction. Juvenile males are almost identical to females, so the master grabs the opportunity to practice his courtship display on him. Junior doesn't know what to do next, so he exits mid-performance. With the breeding season close, adult males grow increasingly intolerant of juveniles. Oh dear, there's virtually nothing left. Junior will just have to start all over again. Now, where should that stick go?